Hello there! I believe you click into this video because you also find these Sweet Nuns really badass. I watched a video about them on Facebook and this particular shot just caught my eyes. I just loved it so much that I had to paint it out. Anyway, I have been doing some practice to improve my drawing and digital painting skills. Also, I always want to try this kind of mixed color painting style. So yeah, this is the result and this is me sketching the nuns, but unfortunately I lost the footage of me sketching the nun on the left, so you can only see me sketching the other one. This was my first time trying this style and I'm gonna be honest, I struggled quite a bit because I wasn't sure how I should do the shadow and highlight with the colors that I wanted to include, which as you can see there are more than 3. But I really want to have all these colors because I just like it to be colorful and I love all these colors. So there you go, here's a speed up video for you to watch. Just in case you are interested to find out who these Sweet Nuns are, I'm gonna just share some information that I found online here. So this group of nuns is from a company called Sisters of the Valley from California, who are activists on a mission to empower people in quite a lot of things. But I do believe the core mission would be to inspire women. Literally in Sister K's words, we are on a mission to empower women to be their best spirituality, to be their best as an activist, and to be in service to their own people and the planet. So we are out to inspire women. Well, there's an inspiring story to this business. Sister Kate, who is, allow me to use this bombastic word that I've just learned, the matriarch-in-chief at Sisters of the Valley, which was officially founded in 2017. Excuse my English because English is not my first language, so suck it up. She started off by growing her own food and cannabis in her backyard because she got a devastating divorce in 2008, and she also lost her financial support. In the meantime, she had to take care of her 3 children. Starting in 2014, she started to run this business alone until 2015. She began to employ more sisters who have the same beliefs. Then there you go, a new and promising medical cannabis company was born in January 2015. After that, it just keeps growing and expanding. She does have a strong professional background though. According to what's stated on the website, it says that she was a high-flying, it means very successful, consultant, constantly traveling to help clients open businesses in newly deregulating industries around the world. I mean, it's basically what she did to Sisters of the Valleys too, right? Okay, let me talk about my painting for a bit. Now that I have done the sketch, I use my phone to take a picture and transfer it to my PC. I'm starting off with the darkest color that I have in my color palette, purple, trying to gauge the shadows so that I can roughly know how it would turn out. I think this part was quite okay for me to handle. I would say the more difficult parts would be trying to figure out the amount of each color to be used on the face, the uniform, and what I should do to differentiate the highlights from the brighter colors that I use on these parts. Not sure if what I'm saying here makes any sense, but yeah, you just have to know the struggle was real. At one point, I was trying too much to include all the colors on each part, which was not ideal in my opinion. Once I realized it looked a bit too much, I just erased off some colors. Well, this is where the quote should come in. Less is more. The most challenging part of the sketch would be the details on the uniform, where I have to put in a decent amount of creases to make it look more interesting instead of just a plain, flat, non-textured piece of fabric. I mean, I'm not doing a softener as here. I'm gonna stop talking now and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. If you do, maybe a like or subscribe. Bye now!
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.